Hi, this is Watson with 911 Studios. Today we're going to take a look at the top 3 fan favorite subwoofers. Let's go. Today we're going to take a look at the Polk Audio PSW10 10-inch powered subwoofer with PowerPort technology, up to 100 watts, big bass, and a compact design with easy setup with home theater systems. The speaker comes in black, and you can also get it packaged with a center channel speaker as well, and an optional subwoofer cable. It has 11,150 ratings on Amazon with a 4.7 out of 5 stars. Nice. Let me share with you a review from top 500 reviewer Vine Voice called Nice Thundering Bass Compared to Theater in a Box Sub. I ordered 2 of these because I had a Denon receiver with 2 sub outs. First world problem, I know, but I figured I might as well try it. I read an article on an AV forum arguing that 2 lesser expensive woofers is better in a home theater than 1 single premium one because it will fill the room better and matter less where you're sitting for how you hear the bass response. Let me tell you, I am blown away. I have one on either side in front near the left and right channels. They sound fantastic with games, music, and movies. My theater in a box sub this is replacing sounds terrible by comparison. I watched The Dark Knight, and it's crazy how much more oomph guns, cars, and punches have with the better bass, and music such as the Tron Legacy soundtrack or the theme from Planet Earth and the Inception soundtrack sound just incredible. Weapons firing and explosions in games such as Battlefield 1 will shake the walls if you want them to. I'm sure a single one of these would already be a huge upgrade over theater in a box subwoofers, but with a pair they really shine. Highly recommended. Awesome. Well, there you go. These are available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. So put some kaboom in your room and pick up one of these Polk subwoofers today. You're gonna love it. The Acoustic Audio PSW12, a 500 watt, 12-inch downfiring powered subwoofer in black. It has well over 1,400 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars. And if you're looking for something similar but with slightly different specs and sizes, Acoustic Audio also makes a 6.5-inch speaker, an 8-inch sub, a 10-inch sub, the 12 is shown here, and a 15-inch sub for big bass. So check those out as well. This sub is great for home theater and has standard RCA inputs which easily connect to your home theater receiver's dedicated subwoofer output. And you can save power with the added signal sensing auto on-off feature. It's got 500 watts of peak power, a frequency response of 24 to 250 Hz, and a 12-inch downfiring woofer. Let me share with you a fantastic review via verified purchaser. It's an amazing, high-quality, well-built, heavy-duty home subwoofer. Acoustic Audio also has subs from 8-inch, 10-inch, and goes up to 15-inch. Its ability to carry low-frequency sound, whether you're listening to music or watching a movie, is really an experience. It does have great punch when needed, and the mixture of sound is really amazing. Immersive sound? Yeah, that's what it is. Live the experience. It's got everything a subwoofer should have, and has a very nice wood finish. I totally recommend this Acoustic Audio PSW sub. From the simple listener to the advanced audiophile, I'm telling you, you'll be amazed. Awesome. So add a little bass to your living space and check out this Acoustic Audio 12-inch subwoofer, Klipsch reference R-100SW 10-inch 300 watt powered subwoofer, and it comes in black. It's got about 1,400 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars. Very nice. There's also a newer model available of this sub, and Klipsch makes other great speakers, so check those out as well. This has a powerful 10-inch copper-spun front-firing woofer, all-digital amplifier, and it delivers 300 watts of dynamic power. So it's great for impressive music and movies. It's got the low-pass crossover and phase control, and it's about 14 inches tall by 12 inches wide and 15.7 inches deep. It also has line and LFE inputs for compatibility with most receivers. Now let me share with you a short but helpful review from Alex, a verified purchaser, called Clean, Tight Bass. I own the 10-inch and the 12-inch. The 10 puts out cleaner, tighter bass compared to the 12. The 12 obviously has more oomph, but the 10-inch will get the job done. I'm in love with both. So there you go. Put some bass in your living space. Check out this Klipsch reference R-100SW powered subwoofer today. You're gonna love it.